For September 29th, Monday, today, we should be doing this after going over the lesson class for short. Zoom this, this little better here is number one, is the standard algorithm, or as I call it, old person math. Number one, we'll talk over number four, go back real quick. I'm not doing all of them for you, I'm just here for a little help to remind you and show you again how to do it. So we go down to our first one. We have 6 on top of equal 7. 7 is bigger than 6, so we have more on the 4. So we're going to go next door and borrow 10 from the 3. So we cross out that 3, put a 2 right here. Cross out this 6 and make it 16 because we borrowed 10 from next door. So we have 16 minus 7. And if we take our second and we do our math, 16 minus 7 is going to leave us with 9. Now we go next over here, we have 2 minus 8. So we take 8 away from 2. That's not possible, so we're going to go next door again. Neighbors are mad to borrow stuff, but we get 10. So we have 3 left there, and we get that 10 we brought over in front of the 2, so now we have 12. Now we have 12 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives us 4. If we count up from 8 to 12, we have 4. So now we have our 3 minus 7. Again, we can't take away, we can't subtract up, so this was not going to be 4. Remember, you can only go down and subtract. So, 3 minus 7, we can't do it again. Knocking on the neighbor's door to borrow 10 more. So that 4, so we get 3 over there. We're going to add 1 over here, and now this becomes 13. So 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Alright, let's move over again. 3 minus, again, we can't do it. So, again, bothering the neighbors, we're going to go over here and borrow from there. Bring that 10 over for that 3 that we have left. So we have 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. Snowman doesn't look very good there. He's not connecting, but we can still tell it's an 8. So now we go over, we have 0 minus 7. Obviously, if we have 0, we can't take 7 away from nothing. So you can move this 1 here over if you want, or you can call this 10. I'll make it easy to go so you can see it. So we have 10 minus 7 is 3. There's nothing left over here, so we need to worry about that. Make sure we go down 1, 2, 3 from the end. We put our comma in. So your answer for 114,436 minus 75,787 is 38,649. Do it for yourself. Make sure Mr. Short didn't make a mistake. You know, sometimes I do that. Mistakes happen. Sometimes on accident, and sometimes I just really, sometimes I'm really trying to make sure that you're paying attention. If we go down, look at number 4 and help out real quick. It says use the read, draw, write process to solve each problem. That means solve it however you can. A bagel shop sells 176,663 blueberry bagels and 182,149 plain bagels. How many more plain bagels than blueberry bagels does the shop sell? It says how many more, right here. How many more? So that tells us we're subtracting. It says plain bagels than blueberry bagels. So we see plain bagels has the bigger number. So let's put that on top. And we're subtracting to see how many more. Okay, that one's all set up like that. Don't forget, you can always do it the other way. Yes, it's a standard algorithm, but if you're better at doing it using our place values, where we draw it all out and we cross them off as we go, that's fine too. All right, I'm not solving this one for you. I set it up for you. I would draw it over here to make sure you have a little more room. But remember, it says read, draw, write process. So if you want to do it the other way, you can always set that the other way to place value disk. I'll show you that real quick, just in case we have parents who are not used to that because they're not as young as you and they were taught the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So the ones we have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 10s we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the hundreds we have 1 all by itself. In the thousands, we have 2. In the 10,000s, we have 8. And in the 100,000s, we have 1. All right, so we're done with that number, right? So now we're going to start subtracting and crossing off. 9 minus 3, we can do that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, you thought I was going to do all these for you. Yeah, that's not going to happen. But remember, when we get to the next one, even though I didn't answer this one yet, the answer's right there if you count how many dots you have left. When we go and look at the next one, we have 4 minus 6. We have 4 we can go 6, we can't do that. So remember, when we go next door, this time we blow it up, bring it over, and now we put our 10. I should have drawn this in a bigger spot. I apologize. But now we can cross our 4 off. I'm sorry, 6 off. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you almost got me to answer it again. Good job. Remember, every time where we would borrow normally, we go next door and ask for 10 more, just go over, blow up 1, draw your line over. Make sure you draw this line through it, you drag it over so that you know it's gone, you don't count again later. All right, that's this side. Problem 5 is the same way. If we look at the back real quick. Number 6 says, use an inch ruler to draw a quadrilateral so that all sides have different lengths. Label each side. All right, remember, quadrilateral is a 4-sided shape, quad for 4. If you don't have a 1-inch ruler, that's okay. All right, just make it while the sides are a little bit different sizes. Just show me that you understand that each side has to be a different length, so make it a funny looking shape. As long as it has 4 sides, that's gonna be good, and we will count that for our homework. I hope this helped. Good luck on your homework.